Hey guys, welcome back to the Big Boss After episode. I'm Nitesh and we are discussing my worst 5. Worst. We have already discussed my top 5 and if you didn't see the video, please see it. On my worst 5, I'm making this list on the basis of people who are not that popular. The people who are not going to win the show, right? It's not that they'll be kicked out immediately. No, I don't think so. But they will not win. Uh, on that basis, I'm making that. So number 5, I'm putting Vikas Bhalla. He's a good guy, not an entertainer. No. I don't see a separate arc for Vikas Bhalla. Uh, he'll be, interacting with others in their plots, but no Vikas. He cannot win. Most of you will say that Rahul Roy won. He won because the time was different. Now the time is different. Last year Gautam Gulati won. He was controversial. Vikas Bhalla not. He'll be good guy. He'll make a lot of friends. He'll win a lot of hearts. Not this show, man. Sorry. On number 4, I'll put Diganjana and Rupal together. They cannot win. Diganjana, I didn't know that girl. I'm sorry. She is apparently popular because of one serial or something. I didn't know her because I didn't watch that serial. There are so many people who don't watch each and every serial. So if anybody, I saw her for the first time. So maybe you'll curse me for that. But see, the interesting thing about Diganjana is she is like a princess, right? In this house, not going to happen. She'll be a good girl. Just like Vikas, she cannot win. There can be so many reasons. I don't see him pairing up with any boy because the boys are terrible in the show, in this particular season. On number 3, I'll put Shreyas. Camera didn't follow that guy on that show after that Kishore and him going in. Camera was never on Shreyas, so this is going to happen throughout unless he does something interesting. If he is going to be loyal with Kishore, he is not going to win. Not going to win. I mean, he'll not survive. Right, so no man, you're not winning, sorry. Unless you do something interesting, break up with Kishore and pair up with Diganjana and something, then it will be interesting for both of you guys. So I can see this can happen. If it happens, it will be interesting, mind-blowing. On number 2, I put Ankit Gera. I mean, why that dog is in the show? Nobody likes him. He is the Casanova. He is the playboy. He is and everybody is familiar with it. That guy is, he's a creep. So I don't think he's making friends with anybody other than Arvind. No. He'll be entertaining. You'll see him going till 2 months maybe because apparently he's controversial and this show is controversial. So this can happen, but he's not a winning material, not at all. Number 1, Arvind, Gujju rock star. I'll tell you why he cannot win. I think he's the comedian of the house, and he'll get really small roles, and he will not have any single plot, separate plot. He'll be just guest starring in each and every plot. So he will not make a lot of friends, maybe fans, but not a winning material. If he comes with Mandana, he'll get on. People will vote like that if he comes with Aman Verma or Vinny Chadha. So this is going to happen with him. So these are my worst 5. I know that most of you don't agree with my list, so please write your own list in the comment section, and we'll discuss, and I'll put the special episode after nomination, and we'll discuss about that, who nominated, and from later on what we are going to do is we'll choose top 5 incidents of tonight's show. I mean, every days, and that we will discuss. And please write in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, because I'm going to do this whole season, so it will be really interesting. And come on, guys. Uh, like, follow, subscribe. Thank you very much for all the viewers who are giving me. I mean, I'm seeing the views, and it really feels good that people are watching this after episode. So I'm not doing anything for nothing. I'm not doing this thing for nothing. My English is very bad. So if you have any kind of suggestion, if you want me to, do this in Hindi, and so we can do that too. Thank you very much, and goodbye, God bless.